Once all the data is collected on the central cloud-based platform, the data analysis provides the functionalities to get insights and early warnings about poultry welfare during their growing process at farm, loading, and transport phases. In addition, the data available in the platform is exploited by a smart poultry chain management tool called PUMA. PUMA considers all the data gathered through the whole poultry chain and extracts information regarding their impact on the final product. It has a graphical interface that allows the visualization of information to extract knowledge from a descriptive analysis of the data, a correlation analysis, and a decision-making through computational algorithms. PUMA displays the collected data and enables correlating the data, allowing the exploration and visualization of the correlation of the data, and showing relevant influences and impact on the quality aspects of the meat at the slaughterhouse. Initially, PUMA shows the variables that are strongly correlated. However, the user can select and remove the variables to be explored. Based on this selection, PUMA will show a correlation graph to understand the relationship between multiple variables and to get insights about the presence of a causal relationship. Once the correlations have been observed, and if there is a cause effect between some variables extracted from the poultry chain and the defects detected at the slaughterhouse regarding the quality of the meat, it is possible to build a model that determines the rules that derive in such a defect. A decision tree is an excellent computational algorithm for helping to choose among several courses of action. It provides a structure within which it is possible to lay out options and investigate the possible outcomes. PUMA not only leads to the extraction of knowledge and generation of smarter decision-making based on the collected data, but it also allows having a deeper understanding of a specific poultry chain phase. In this case, PUMA allows going further into the breeding and transport phases. By selecting the dates of interest and a specific farm, PUMA allows you to keep track of the evolution of certain environmental conditions and established set points, in such a way that if any deviation happens, for example in this case that the farm temperature does not follow the established set points, corrective actions can be carried out in an agile and early way. Besides, thanks to the Heat Maps tab, it is possible to see a representation of the behavior of all installed sensors during the breeding phase. With this representation, the variation of the temperature of a farm registered by the sensors can be visualized in an easy and intuitive way. In this case, it can be seen that all the sensors measure similar temperatures, so the temperature of the farm seems to remain homogeneous in the different areas, which is an important aspect to be controlled. In the case of the transport phase, similar to the breeding phase, environmental conditions registered can be monitored. By selecting the transport dates in the Transport Monitoring tab, the environmental conditions to which the poultry have been exposed during this phase can be seen. PUMA also provides an additional tab in which the acceleration recorded in the trucks during the transport phase is displayed. For example, through the current graph, we can see that the truck has been stopped for a period of approximately 45 minutes. Additionally, we can detect and identify sudden and abrupt movements. An agitated transport can cause bruising and other injuries to poultry, which in turn affects the quality of the meat, something that is interesting to control in this phase. As a final note, it should be pointed out that PUMA is responsive and it can be accessed from different platforms.